Welcome back. Glad you came. Today's job is going to be take this Fender, which is a stock Sportster Fender, and make it cool. Because right now it's not. Probably going to cut this lip off. I may have to cut it down the middle to take out an inch. I'm not sure yet. And then we'll be re-radiusing it so that it fits, hugs the tire better, and then we'll build some struts from here to here. And that's about it. So let's get into it. Oh, jeez. Well, that's starting to look a little bit more like what I want. Let's see how she fits on the bike. So I think I'm gonna cut that off, but let's just see how much of this we need. First, I want to come all the way down to there. And that's about where I want that to be. So it looks to me like I can just cut it right there. All right. I don't actually hate that width at all. I think I'm going to keep that. So I'm not going to cut it down the middle, which will make this a lot easier. But what we do need is some re-radiusing. All right, we're going to cut her in 3 places to start with. Here, here, and here. Radius it, tack it. I'm going to fix that dent a little bit. All right, let's see how that looks. Okay, let's get our spacer out, which is going to be a length of chain, and see how that works. That is going to work. I'm going to bring you guys down in here. All right, so I'm going for I want the radius to match the tire. That's about right. It's maybe just slightly too radiused. Just slightly. If I press on it a little bit, it's about right. And it's going to go about right down to there. That's about right. So I guess just weld her up and keep on rolling. These are the little parts I made to mount my Fender. These will be for the struts, and these will be for the 3 other mounting points. And gosh, unless you really love machining, it's just, you make, yeah, this stuff to buy is a lot. You can buy it from Bung King or lots of other places, and it took me way too long to make. But, you know, I'm in it to win it. So there you go. So here's a little template I made, and it'll go right up in here like so. But let me get the hardware attached to it, and we'll see how she fits. Alright, so got those two bungs on there and the washers I'll be using, and she's gonna fit about like that. That looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this bracket off. Okay. Well, fender's on. Struts are built. I need to take them off and finish TIG welding them. Then I've got a bottom brace to put on. So, and that I'm going to have to figure out the battery as well with that. This came out pretty good. Come on, focus. Not focusing. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The fender's all mounted up and everything is all finished welded. That's pretty good welds on there. This one, probably gonna go over some, maybe not. It's mostly hidden by the seat, but these ones came out really nice. And that one, good. They all look good. Now I still have to put the bottom mount on, but I'm gonna wait to do that until I install the battery tray, which I built in this video, this guy here. I originally built it for the longer battery. Turns out it hits the chain. So it's gonna go right about in there, but I've got to put a cross brace in here first underneath. So we'll get to that in a future video. Well, hey everyone, I just want to thank you all for watching this process. Went pretty well, with a few exceptions, but I got her all together, and really happy with the way it turned out. It looks just like I was hoping. Anyway, thanks all for watching. Appreciate you all very much, and I will see you all in the next one.